Okay, so on the new oven, on the new stove, the gas inlet is here. So that's where the gas is going to go in, and then it goes into a regulator, and then goes to the valves and to the burners. So we're going to need the fitting, which will go into this. This looks like a 1/2-inch pipe thread by our flare fitting. So that's what we're going to do next, is put the fitting in place. Now you can use Teflon tape, but if you do, make sure that it is the yellow Teflon tape. The white Teflon tape is not suitable for gas. So to put on Teflon tape, you basically wrap it around the threads, generally about 3 times around, and then you can break it off. But so that is perfectly acceptable by code to use Teflon tape, but in some ways I kind of like the old school pipe dope or pipe thread, or here it's called pipe joint compound. This is in a stick, and that's what was on here before, it appears. But so basically you drag it into the threads and just keep working this down into the threads and get it all into the threads. And now this is actually an older type of sealant method that they've been using for thousands of years with this compound, and so I'm using it just because I've never had a failure or a gas leak when using this material. It really seals the threads good, but you do have to run it across the threads like this, and then I get it and smash it down into the threads, being careful not to smash a piece of metal into my fingers.